welcome back to another stunning and miraculous video of Tech Revealer. And today in this special and interesting video, we're gonna unbox some Apple and Chinese products which I shop for my iPhone and iPad, and we're gonna also post some reviews later on, so consider subscribing if you wanna see their amazing videos. So first of all, let's get our hands on the AirPods Pro. So this is the box of the AirPods Pro. Here is some Apple branding. Here is AirPods Pro wireless charging case and some Apple branding as well. On the back we get to see the drawing of the AirPods Pro, like how the AirPods Pro really look. So first of all, let's just unbox it from here, and this is the most interesting part. Super relaxing. So here we receive a booklet, some manual instructions, and I guess there are no Apple stickers currently in the box. And here are our AirPods Pro. Look guys, they look gorgeous. Let's put them aside and see the box contents. So in the box we get to see what we call a lightning to USB-C cable, and underneath we also get to see some ear tips which we will apply later on. So let's just put these things aside and check out the AirPods Pro. So these are the most important and interesting moments of this video, so enjoy it. So here goes the plastic, and these are our AirPods Pro. Look guys, they are gorgeous and stunning. Look the shiny element on both of them. Look guys, they are very stunning and decent and elegant. The case is also very elegant. As you can see, it comes with a wireless case, so you don't have to worry carrying cables, charging the AirPods. So these were the AirPods, and our next product is also quite interesting, which is the Pencil Max. Yes guys, you heard it right, Pencil Max. You have heard Apple Pencil from many YouTubers, Logitech Crayon and other Apple Pencils or Apple Pencil alternatives that might inspire you, but this one is also quite interesting. Although it's a Chinese one, but we'll just unbox it like this. Okay, so I guess okay, so the unboxing might not be pleasant and calming as other YouTubers, because this is a Chinese product and not an Apple one. Okay, so here is a Pencil Max. We just slide it like this and put the box lid aside. In the box we get to see a case for the Apple Pencil, and in the case we get to see a USB Type-C to USB-A cable from which we will charge the Apple Pencil. And the downside I see of this Apple Pencil is that we can't charge it directly with the magnetic pencil connector on our iPad, which is a downside. But although this is a cheap alternative, I don't feel like buying the expensive one because I'm not an artist or don't do stuff related to this, so I just prefer the cheaper alternative, and this is also quite good, and I'll just post a review of it also. So in the box we get to see nothing further. Let's just put this also aside, and here are the box contents we got to see from the last two boxes. Other than these, we also have one more product, which is the Realme Airdots Pro. So let's just also unbox them and give you our first impressions on this AirDots Pro. Okay, so let's just take out the AirDots Pro. So here are our AirDots Pro, and in the box further on, what we got to see. So here are our AirDots Pro and some ear tips for replacement. So let's just unbox our AirDots Pro like this. Okay, so here are our AirDots Pro with the Redmi logo on it, and look, the stunning AirDots Pro. They look absolutely fantastic. We'll just take both of them aside and give you a quick comparison with the AirPods Pro. Look, okay, look guys, they are quite similar in design, but the Realme buds, although being cheap, are quite premium and quite good compared to the AirPods. But the AirPods, because of their premium features, are still on the lead, as it appears to be a very expensive product. But for online classes and for some multimedia tasks, these are the best combination I have found on the internet, the AirDots and the AirPods Pro. And let's just put them inside. I'll just quickly put them inside, because now is the time to give a first impression on these products. So my opinions about this product is that if you have a lot of money to spend on some headphones, some expensive headphones, then this might be a good option for you. But if you are not interested in music activities, or you just wanted them to hear some basic audios for communication, then this might not be for you. And the Apple Pencil is also a good alternative, and this is for those who like drawing and like the graphical interface. But for those who don't who don't really like to draw or do graphics with this pen, it is not a good option. You might try out the Magic Keyboard, which I'll unbox in another dedicated video. So to see that as well, please ensure to subscribe our channel, press the notification to get more updates. So guys, that was pretty much for it. Hope you enjoyed our video. We'll see you in another video. Till that time, take care. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.